Artists ask me almost daily, can I sell my work just on social media or do I need a website? And I'm going to tell you in this video my answer to that and why that is. So if you like this kind of content, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also the little notification bell so that it will let you know each week when I release a new video. So let's get started. Hi, so my name's Amanda Heath. I'm the founder of Thriving Artist Business School, and in today's video I'm going to answer a question that I get asked quite a lot, and that is, can I just sell my artwork on social media or do I really need a website? And my answer to that is always very, very straight, and that is you definitely in the longer term need a website. Now, in the shorter term, it's fine to start selling on social media because it's a very easy, quick and free way of testing whether what you're creating is desirable to your audience. But we definitely don't want to hinge our entire business on selling on social media, and here's why. I've had lots of friends, artist friends and outside of the industry, have big accounts build their entire business on social media, and even some coaches advise you to do that as well. And what happens is you put all your eggs into that one basket, but you don't own that kind of asset, social media. And what can happen is your account can get hacked really easily, and I've seen it more and more frequently lately. So you could have built up 25, 30, 35,000 followers, and then all of a sudden one morning you wake up and you can't get into your account. And if you've built your entire business on that and you don't have an email list of those contacts and you have no way of getting in touch with them, you are starting from ground zero again. You have no business whatsoever. I don't like the thought of that, and I'm sure you wouldn't like to put that much effort and hard work into it and find yourself in the same situation. They can also change the algorithm and what kind of things they feature. They can change anything at all. And basically you are at their mercy, and it's very similar with third-party selling sites, in my opinion. So what we want is we want to be in control of our business and our assets. And if you have a website and you have an email list, nobody can take those away from you. Yes, of course, people can unsubscribe, but if they do, that's absolutely fine. We don't want anybody on our email list that doesn't want to be there. But at least when you have an offer to make, you have something to sell, or you want to just give some value to your audience, you are in complete control of when you contact them, how you contact them, and that kind of thing. On social media, you've probably noticed when you put a post out, it could be shown to a small percentage of your audience, and then whatever platform it is decides whether it was interesting enough to push it out to more people. Because, say you have 1,000 followers, it may be that the platform is only showing it to, say, 50 of those initially. And for me, that's just not a great way of doing business. So advice, use social media in the short term, and use it also when you have your own website as another way of bringing in awareness and bringing in new customers to your business. But ultimately, we'd like to get them away from social media onto our email list, and then we can, like I said, just nurture them and build relationships and offer value to them. So if you build your business the right way on proper foundations, it will only get stronger and stronger over time. If you do the quick and easy way and you think, well, it's a bit easier to sell on social media and I don't have the cost of a website, I don't have to maintain it, then you, in my opinion, you're building it on very thin foundations, very weak foundations. The other thing is, when you are a professional artist or you start to sell more work, if I am a customer, I want to go somewhere where I can see all of your work together, really beautifully displayed, with descriptions, with sizes, with a little bit of a bio about the artist. It's almost like your portfolio, but I can buy there at the same time. On social media, if I've seen a piece that I like and then I go back to you, I have to scroll down and find where that piece was. And that is causing friction in the buying process between you and the customer. And that is one thing we never ever want to do if we want to sell. We don't want to make it difficult for your customers. So start on social media, test the waters. If you have new products, do it on social media, great way of finding out. But ultimately we want to build our own website and we want to have that email list. And things like Etsy and Instagram and Facebook and all those things, really valuable if you are wanting to put the time into them, but they should be in addition to your main website, and everything we do feeds back to that main website. So hopefully that answers your question. Like I said, I do get asked that a lot, and if you would like more information, have a look at the link below and click on the free download or watch my free masterclass. And that's all for now. I will see you in the next video.